Okay. Good. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, photography people, the paparazzi people, Efe, Shalom, Uvon, Akimade. Are you guys there? Feyi, Akirele, Ibekwe. You guys are welcome to this afternoon class. I believe some of you have not submitted my last week assignment that I asked you guys to submit. Some of you refused to submit that assignment, and I'm still waiting for the assignment. Today is going to be the last day for submission. If you're not submitting today, forget it. I will not collect it again. I will lock my platform. Is that clear? So you are welcome again. So today we are going straight to this topic that we seen on the board: digital photography software. Digital photography software. Digital photography software. So that's going to be our topic for today. We are going to be looking at Photoshop. Photoshop is one of the digital software that we use in enhancing our photographs. We use Photoshop to enhance our photographs. So Photoshop's primarily used and function is as a photograph and image editor. It is used to enhance our photographs and also serve as image editor. Photoshop supports a wide range of files. In order to achieve this function, the softwares allows a designer to alter a photo and to touch up images either fully created digitally or taken with a camera. I believe everybody understand what is a Photoshop now. A Photoshop is a kind of software that allows you to touch your photographs and also to enhance your photographs. It serves as an image editor. If you have it on your laptop, you you install it on your laptop and you work with it as a Photoshop editor. Either are you in class? Okay, good, you are there. Okay, yes. Now, if Photoshop is primarily used and function as image editor on our photographs. Photoshop also supports our photograph in wide range of files in order to achieve a better functions. These softwares allow a designer to alter a photo and touch up images either fully created digitally or taken with a camera. We have Adobe Photoshop. This allows users to manipulate images using a variety of tools and functions. Adobe Photoshop allows user to manipulate images using a variety of tools and functions. Photoshop basically did the image orientation process like color correction, background changing, create all kinds of printing and web creative photographs. Functions of Adobe Photoshop is to allow the photographer to manipulate images using a variety of tools on the Photoshop and their functions. This Photoshop is basically to give your picture a different orientation, like you want to change the background, you want to trace out the image, you want to light up your image, you want to darken your image, you want to do a lot of things, you want to manipulate, you make use of Photoshop. You want to make color correction, you want to make background changing, you want to create all kinds of printing and web creation. The software is a popular choice for graphic artists, web designers, and photographers. The program features a variety of functions that you can use to manipulate photos or create new images. It even connects to periphery like electronic tablets. For its many functions, for its many functions, many professionals understand Photoshop's higher than other software. We have color correction. Photoshop is equipped with several tools like Burn, Sponge, Dodge that are utilized for details color correction. Dodge, for example, lightens part of an image, while Sponge reduces the contrast and saturation. With these tools, you can make color corrections that don't necessarily apply to an entire image. This program also supports a function for color to black and white conversion, with which you can adjust and save your photographs. Now, when using color correction on your Photoshop, it's a tool that you can use to burn, to sponge, or to dodge some aspect of colors that are utilized for details color correction. Dodge, for example, you can use it to lightening some part of your images. If some areas of your images is dark, when you click on dodge, you can use it to lightening the part that you want it to be lightened. So while sponge can reduce the contrast and saturation, with these tools you can make color corrections that don't necessarily applies to an entire image. This program also supports a function for color to black and white. You can convert a color picture to a black and white picture. Warping and filter. Warping and filter. Photoshop also has functions that allows you to adjust images with pre-programmed filters. Applying filters like noise, you can noise your picture, you can blur your picture. It's a quick and simple way of editing images. The program also allows you to adjust the scale of an image or wrap it, all without risking the integrity or permanently saving over the original data. Now, if you are using a warping or a filter, it allows you to adjust your image, to make it bigger, to make it smaller. It can allows you to turn around your image. It's flexible. You can also pre-program your filter. You can put it on auto filter. Applying filters is to noise. What do you mean by noising? Is to brighten your pictures. If your picture is not sharp enough, you can use what we call noise. You noise it so that you can at least enhance your image a little bit so that it will not be blurry. So it's also a quick and simple way of editing images. The program also allows you to adjust the scale of an image or wrap it, all without risking the integrity or permanently saving over the original data. We have retouching. Retouching. Retouching is also one of the Photoshop's benefits for professional photographers. Is it is retouching function using tools like the clone stamp or the healing brush, both of which are used to fix imperfections in an image, make it possible to fix old, torn, or tarnished photographs. Yes, if you have a bad photograph or an old pictures, after you have scanned your pictures or you have it on your memory card, what you just need to do is you click on the retouching tools at the left side of your bar, and you click on the healing brush. The healing brush is just a tool to clone, to add flesh, to clean up the imperfections in your image, the damaged areas in your image. The retouching will restore it back. It makes it possible to fix old, torn or tarnished photographs. Selection functions. Don't forget we are talking about digital photography software. Selection functions. Photoshop has selection tools that permit users to quickly and easily select different parts of an image. For example, if you want to select the tie someone is wearing in a photograph, you can use the magnetic laser tool that reads the image and address to the outline of the tie, selecting specific part of an image. What this one is doing is to actually select a particular aspect on the picture you want to select from. It allows you to pick it on using your magnetic laser tool to work on those selected areas you desire to work on. So with these functions, you need to work more on these tools, to work more on the tools of the photography tools. So yes, we are back to selection functions. Selection functions. So in the next 5 minutes, we're going to be looking at these selection functions on your photo um, Photoshop that characterized the use of these tools when you are working on your photographs. So it allows you to work more on it when you are using a digital film. So you cannot use this on, you can see the difference between a Photoshop and analog now. There's difference between the two. So naturally, you need some tools to work on your Photoshop, your Photoshop. So we have many tools there, but because of our time, we are going to stop at this particular point, and I will wait. Just give me some few minutes. I will get there now to work more on our tools using the Photoshop tools we have. Photoshop tools we have. I want to quickly check if I have. Okay. We also have what we call text tool on your Photoshop. Text tools. This text tool is used for text. If you want to add text to your image, you make use of text tool to work on your image. On the Photoshop tools, we also have crop tool. This crop tool is used to crop your images or to draw a box with the crop tools for adjustment or selection with the selection point, and then you you return to the crop. Crop means when you want to crop the surrounding areas around your picture, the unwanted areas around your pictures, what you need to use is the crop tools. Just click on the crop tools. We have the magic wand. The magic wand is another way or tool to select pixel. We have the move tools. This is a very important tool because you need it up till now. All you have to know, or what you have to do, is to use the move tools. It enables you to do a selective pixel and not actually moving them. You have razor tools where you use it for cleaning. The razor tool is meant for cleaning. We have line tools. This can also be used for line drawing. Eyedropper, you click with the tool on any color on the canvas to make your your work. Now, when you look at the Photoshop, you have other digital tools. Adobe is there, Photoshop is there, CorelDRAW is there. These are tools that we can use in digital photography. So I want us, when we come back on Friday, we talk more on this and ask more questions on this particular topic. I think we have come to the end of today's class. I wish all of us a wonderful day. When we see next class, we talk more. Thank you very much. Bye. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.